Right, so we're off. It's Easter Sunday, and I'm going to nip down to Winsford garage station. Fucking forget that. I'll start again.
Mobbing like a motherfucker stuck in your picture, middle finger out the window, getting fucked off. Liquor, get loaded, can't control it, nigga. Pass me the blood, let me roll it.
We're going to meet Oggy at Winsford petrol station. Now we're going to go out for a ride. Coffee. So, yeah, I don't know where we're going, but we'll go somewhere. Why not? I've got this beast, and look at it, it's beautiful. Needs a clean, but I've got my screen wound down low done for you, so hopefully you can see over it. It's not that bad. Still in love with my bike. Still beautiful. It is very, very beautiful. Everything a man could need in life, this bike. I don't think I've got any niggles with it at all yet. Apart from it being heavy. It's heavy when you're not riding it. It's heavy to push around. But that's it. Might get Dutty sponsor this video by supplying some visor spray for me. I had a weird dream last night. It was about Deb's mum. I was looking after her or something. She was ill, lying in bed, and Deb had gone shopping or something. I told Deb this morning, we had a little laugh about it. This is how weird my head is, even when I'm asleep. So she was ill, I was looking after her, Deb had gone shopping, she was in bed, and then all of a sudden she got upset and started crying. So I went over to her, "What's up, love, what's up?" And the place, it was based at my mum's house, so her mum was in a bed in the dinette area, dining room, and I was in the kitchen, and then I went to her, and "What's up, love?" She was dead upset, crying. I thought, "Oh, fuck's sake, what's up with her?" She said, "I've got to go and do it now, I've not done it for years." I said, "What?" She said, "Shave me gash." Fucking took me by surprise, that did. So, yeah, told Deb this morning, fucking hell, I thought something serious was up. She just wanted to shave a gash, she'd not done it for years. So that was a strange dream I had. So I told Deb this morning, if she goes down to see her mum, tell her get it shaved, make her happier. Here we are, let's see if Oggy's here early. Where are you, little witch? What time? It's 27, he should be here by now. Otherwise I'll be very disappointed in you, Oggy, if you're not here by now. Very disappointed, mate. You're normally like me, early. Can I see him? I fucking can't see him, where the fuck is... There he is! There he is! Little dickhead's hiding on his fucking bright green bike. I wonder if you're sticking to the limit because you got pulled, Oggy.
Oh, Ian.
This is a new Oggy, this is.
Loads of cameras down this road, isn't there?
What?
Loads of cameras, I don't know which ones do what.
Loads of cameras, they fucking speed up this road all the time. Oh, Oggy.
It'll be easy work.
Oggy, I might have wasted some more money.
Oh, no.
Right. You know I'm a fat bastard, yeah? Yeah? Yeah, please agree with me, yeah, thank you.
Yeah, go on.
Well, you know I always look for the easy way out.
Oh, don't even bother with fucking tablets or fucking injections.
Injections! These other injections, yeah, well I've tried these.
Oh, you're wasting your money, you big fat bastard.
It's just one a week.
It's not going to stop you fucking opening your mouth and filling it up.
It will stop me, Oggy.
It won't.
So I'm going to give them a whirl. I've got them on order. I don't even know what they're called. They're a different type to what I went on last time. It's
You know.
fuck me, something beginning with M. So I'm going to give them a whirl. One jab a week's nice, because them other ones were every day. You had to inject yourself.
Yeah, you may as well fucking buy whiz. You probably know what's in that more than fucking the tablets you're going to be having, you daft cunt. You're the cunt, you are.
I am a cunt, Oggy, you are correct there. One of the biggest. But I'm going to give it a whirl. You just watch this space, Og. Honestly, you'll be saying, see that lad who's just fell down that grid there? That's my brother, that is. Used to be a fat cunt. Got on these injections. I've still got to get my cooker yet. Got to measure that after and fucking... Well, I'll tell you what happened, Oggy. Some bad... Yeah, some bad-tempered fucker gave it a little punch when he couldn't set the clock, so I couldn't get the toaster working. Damaged that. And then his brother came, well, I'll have a look at that. Fucked about with it. Fused all the fucking... everything tripped out in the house. Nearly killed himself with a shock. And now we've got no clock working at all.
No cooker working.
I said to Deb, I said, really, it should be you buying this cooker. At least we could use the oven before. You fucking dickhead. Fucking helpful lad came up and put my cooker up. We've got to do a Sunday dinner in air fryer now, you prick. I've got a fly on my visor already. I'll just turn that way. Get it locked. Yeah. I'll show you my little carbon bit. Look at that. Nice little carbon bit there, isn't it? It's beautiful. That's gorgeous, mate. It really is.
A few moments later.
I'm putting Delamere Forest, Oggy. That's where we're going.
Delamere Forest?
We're going to have a ride round the country lanes here, Acton Bridge and Croton and shit.
Okay.
Go on, blow up. Blow her skirt up, big un. Go on.
Yeah,
Have a bit like Oggy, me and you, couldn't we? We'd handle that between us.
You know.
I watched this video the other night. About people online like fucking being miserable and putting bad comments and fucking thumbs down and all that.
Yeah.
Saying that you can't even have your own fucking opinion now about people. And he's right, you know what I mean? He spent £2 on a suit. If I spent £2 on a suit, I'd want the fucker tickle me, massage me while I'm rolling along the floor. It shouldn't have ripped. Yeah, it did protect him, but it shouldn't have ripped at 27 mile an hour on black ice. I would have been fucking like him, gutted. So, yeah, he's right in what he says. It's fucking a day suit, you expect it to be better. But yeah, people giving him shit and that, saying he's slating brands and that. He's not, he's giving his fucking opinion. And thanks to him, I will never waste £2 on a fucking shit suit. So, yeah. But they are, I've noticed that, they seem to be fucking more and more cunts that just... just like fucking... They mustn't have out else better to do with a life apart from complain about other people.
That's what a lot of people just go on for.
Yeah.
Troll.
Well, they control my fucking arse, Oggy. I don't think I've ever put a bad comment on anywhere or even give a thumbs down to anyone. If you just don't like them, just don't watch. It's as simple as, isn't it? And he's got good taste having the same helmet as me, hasn't he? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
He had his before mine. Never knew though. Yeah, watched his video on Friday night. Just after I had me smoke though. I was going to put a comment on saying I agree with him that, but I'd type a few words and forgot what the fuck I was typing. I was that stoned. So I thought, fuck it, I'm not commenting. Twice I typed a sentence out and then forgot where I was up to, and he was like, what the fuck was I trying to say here?
It's full you are.
So yeah, there's too many fucking idiots out there now. With no better do than fucking thumbs down your videos or fucking put shit comments on. Get a fucking life, you losers.
Not bad.
He's not going. We should have let him go then, but
Ah, fuck up.
that's what I say, Ogg.
Stupid bastards.
Fucking Jack the Hat McVitie.
Hey, up did ya? Hey, weirdo.
Dynamic Pro, Ogg. Makes me go. Dynamic Pro makes you go. I'm back to road mode now.
No. He doesn't want to go in Dynamic Pro.
I don't need to go in Dynamic Pro. Smell of shit, but
Shit.
that's nice shit. That's cow shit, that is, Ogg. That's country shit. Old Beast of Market, that's where it used to be, innit, here?
Yeah. But, well, all these houses are, that was the pub where the houses are. Then the market was up that bit there.
Yeah. Fucking good old days, Oggy. Yeah, we'll go J-Nest, because I'll need to change my camera battery as well. I don't think that'll have long left. Let's see what miles I'm getting per gallon for that run. Oh, I've clocked up 5,000 miles now, Ogg.
You know.
55.3 miles per gallon I'm getting.
Stop the job. Fucking radio off. No, radio off you come. Your radio's on now.
Oh, she said it's cabbage all.
Hey, Cardo, radio off.
Cabbage all. Cabbage all, Radio 1, Cardo. Yeah, I've got some flies on my fucking visor thanks to Dutton. Oh, it is busy here, Ogg.
It's busy here, Ian. Following you, what the fucking face? Oh, not for the fucking face.
We're down here.
Gaps down there. Where's he going? Where the fuck is he going?
Going up here, Ogg, and then back it in here.
Oh, I see you.
Got it.
I see you. I'm with you.
Ugh.
Yeah, you go.
Alright. Let's change batteries.
One eternity later.
Nice pies here, mate.
Nice pies.
Very nice pies. You stopped there in Wagging. But yeah, it's got a good name for itself for good pies. I'll have a ride down where Marley used to be. Let's take Dutty back in time. Fucking hell, that's changed down there, hasn't it? Just go there, regular picking tiles up, I did on Wagging. Good. It was a good little slack, it was. It was a good little slack coming here. Because the Marley lads weren't fucking quick, I tell you that much. Slow bastards. Let's have a look. Let's see what's around. I'm sure, did we used to go down there? Oh no, let's have a look. What's that? This is fucking it, mate.
Big houses on it, all, isn't it? All posh fuckers.
Yeah, they are posh fuckers. Delamere though, isn't it? That little duck used to fucking have his dinner down here. I don't even know where the warehouses would be from here now. It's all changed that much. Oh, we can go round here, Ogg. Let's have a ride round here. Urban explorers, aren't we? Look at me stood up, Ogg, like I'm It means nothing to me standing up now.
Fucking dickhead you are. God,
Check out that arse. Check out my arse, Ogg. What's it look like?
Talk some shit, you dig.
Got it, haven't you? Fucking big tall houses, aren't they? Bet these are worth a fucking fortune, these. Bet these could afford a fucking GS 1300. I bet he's got one under that cover.
Probably.
Pocket money for these.
Garages are wasting time though, aren't they, when they have these little fucking tiny garages inside?
Never even saw that car come in then. Fucking too busy looking at houses. There we go, Duck. There's your fucking Marley gone, mate. All posh houses now, mate.
But they're not even fucking Marley tiles on the roofs.
I bet they're not. Well, they're not broken. Oh, I'm a fucking stand-up king now, aren't I, Ogg? Oop. I'm a stand-up king. I'm a stand-up kind of guy. Come on, bitch.
Not bad.
Come on, come on. Oh, come on! Yeah! Never put my foot down, it was hovering.
Whoa!
Look at that cunt there.
Now, love, you fucking silly cunt.
Dickhead. Get in your little fucking bendy wheels, you fucking idiot. Little skinny wretch. That's what I'll be after I've been on the injections.
Fucking dickhead you are.
Fucking be like that, Ogg, I will. You little fucking wretch. Get over, you fucking cum drinker. I'll be like him after the injections, Ogg. Be like him. Oh well. Fucking Adam Rickett. You know what they should have? They should have where you can go live, yeah, and you're filming it, streaming it on YouTube, and they have little fucking people can put left, right, straight on where you want to go, where they want you to go, and a little arrow will pop up on your visor or on your screen telling you which way. I'm onto something there, Oggy, I am.
Fucking
Mystery
dickhead.
tour, I'm onto something there. The viewers tell you where to go, where to turn. Do you want to see anywhere?
Take you right off edge of a fucking cliff.
Yeah, you probably would. Watch that hole.
Stay down it.
Did you? Fucking idiot.
I was trying to look at the house at the workshop.
Another GS there. T-shirt, what a fucking idiot, mate. Idiot, Ogg.
He's an
It's
idiot.
a fucking idiot. Oh my god, shows them big red bosoms. Look at them titties on them girls coming round the corner. So red and voluptuous.
Oh, right.
You crash into them, Ogg, you're safe. Flies, yeah. It's the only thing. Having no screen in front of you. Fucking visor gets covered in it. So, yeah, when I film, if this is any better, Duck, I'll keep my visor down for you. My screen, even. But, yeah, it's going to cost you, mate. I'm going to have to get you sponsor me with visor spray.